Then argument is the next word. Argument means contention. Synonym of argument is contention. You may find some other words. Quarrel is can be the synonym. Disagreement can be the synonym of argument. We can say there was a fierce contention in the speech. There was a fierce argument in this speech. So fierce contention means there was a strong argument done by the debaters or done by the speakers in a speech. Swell is a word that was used in the text. Its meaning is bulge. Swell means Hazrat Umar's eyes swell with anger. We read in the unit. It was used as filled with anger. Swell can be used as when something is filled with anger, arrogance, or pride. So, according to the text, it means Hazrat Umar's eyes were filled with anger. So here I found the synonym burst. You may find some other meanings. You can find expand or some other meanings of swell, but I found burst as a synonym of swell. Next activity that we'll be discussing is the vocabulary is the grammar exercise that is on page number 9. Here we have all types of noun that we'll be discussing. All types of noun we have. So the very first, I'll be starting from parts of speech, and then I'll be moving ahead. There are 8 parts of speech, dear students, which are divided into 2 groups, open and close. 4 parts of speech come in the open category, open group, and the other 4 are a part of closed group. What is the concept of open and close? In the open group, all those parts of speech are included which are not having any limit. And in the closed category, all those parts of speech are included which are having a boundary. I will simply take the example of noun. Noun is the name of everything that we can see in our surroundings. So name of everything, every person, every place is called noun. We are not bound that these particular things are called noun and the other things are not called noun, they are something else. Everything's name or the name of everything that we can see in our surroundings is called noun. On the other side, pronoun conjunctions are limited. We are having some kind of limitations in conjunctions, preposition and interjection. We cannot say that all the words are prepositions. We cannot say all the words in a sentence are conjunctions and all the words are pronoun. So we are having a limit in the closed group. On the other side, in the open category, we don't have such kind of limit. Then we have types of noun. Okay, noun is a very clear, dear students, it's very clear that what noun is. Noun is the place of, it's a name of everything, every person, every place. Okay, I've simply to give you the example. How many things you can see in your surroundings right now while sitting at home? There's so many things in your room. It can be a laptop, it can be a book, it can be pages, notebooks, mobile, camera, TV. So all these things are having name, and every naming word is called noun. So this is why it belongs to the open group of the parts of speech. It has several types that we'll be discussing right now. What are the types of nouns? Singular, plural, countable, uncountable, collective, concrete, abstract. All these are the types of noun that we'll be discussing one by one.